In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a tax exemption request in your eBay account. If you have a valid state resale certificate or another approved tax exemption document, eBay allows you to send that information to their review team so sales tax can be removed from eligible purchases. This process is fairly simple, but it's important to have your document ready before you begin so everything goes smoothly. Start by signing into your eBay account and going to your account settings panel. This is where you manage important account details, including payment and tax-related information. Once you're there, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Next, look for the Payment Profile section and click on Exemptions. This area is specifically designed for submitting resale certificates or tax exemption paperwork. If you don't immediately see it, check carefully within your account settings since menu layouts can sometimes vary slightly depending on your region or account type. After opening the exemption section, upload a digital copy of your valid state resale certificate or tax exemption document. Make sure the file is clear, complete, and easy to read. It's a good idea to confirm that the document is current and includes all required information before uploading it. If the image or PDF is blurry, cropped, or missing details, that could slow down the review process. Once your document has been uploaded, go ahead and submit the form. At that point, eBay's internal review team will evaluate the information you provided and determine whether sales tax can be removed from your purchases. Depending on processing times, approval may not happen instantly, so be patient and keep an eye on your account for any updates or notifications. If your exemption is approved, eligible future purchases should reflect the tax-exempt status according to the documentation you submitted. If there's an issue with the file or additional information is needed, you may be asked to provide a clearer or updated document. A final tip: always keep a copy of the document you submitted for your own records and make sure it stays up to date if your exemption has an expiration date. That can help prevent delays later on if you need to resubmit. That's all it takes to request tax exemption through your eBay account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.